It's upgrade time. This PC is getting a whole new set of RAM, CPU, CPU cooler and a new motherboard. The customer opted to keep his original case and graphics card, but swap out all the rest of the parts. Once the graphics card is out, it's time to tear down the rest of the PC, and then we'll pull out our little magic bag of tricks. And here we are with a brand new motherboard, this brand new MSI board. It's so sleek, so clean, and it fits perfectly inside of this build. Put in the CPU, CPU cooler and the RAM, and the PC is up and running and ready for install.
Thank you. Thanks.
We then contacted the customer because the old SSD was not compatible with the MSI Pro B650 motherboard, so we offered him a new one. After changing that, the PC is working perfectly fine.